Hello, welcome back to the Boomers Tech Show, where I teach boomers each week how to use tech to make their lives just a little easier. Hi, I'm Bertrand. In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy and paste. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is find something to copy. Take your finger and touch the text. Then select what you want to copy by dragging. Then tap copy. Then go to the application that you want to paste. Then take your finger, tap the screen, and then tap paste. Voila! You have now copied and pasted your text. Please, if you found this quick tutorial helpful, give me a like and subscribe for more help. Thanks for watching the Boomers Tech Show. Now, you might like this video up here.